In this video, we're going to unbox the AMVR Facial Interface for the Q3. As I was looking for a more comfortable, breathable, easy to clean solution for the facial interface, I decided to pick this one up. So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna try to install it. Here we go. All right, so here we have the facial interface with the pad I was talking about, easy to clean. Also here we have a silicone nose sleeve, which keeps the light out coming from the bottom of the VR headset, which I believe is a pretty good feature. It's more immersive. In here we have another attachment, and this is the icy silk face attachment. So apparently this one keeps you nice and cool, which is another awesome feature. It's the winter time here in Canada, so I can imagine when the summertime hits, if you're playing outside, needing that piece right there. So let's try to install this. All right, so we're gonna try to install this facial interface. Apparently we're supposed to pull this one out, so let's see here. Oh, there we go. Sounds like something's coming out. Come on. So the bottoms come out, I just need to get the top out here. Oh, there goes one side, and that was a little bit challenging. Here goes so we got 3 out of 4 pieces out here. So I'm pushing down and I'm pulling away. It's a little bit hard. Come on. All right. Jeez. That was pretty challenging. We're all in one piece. Very good. Next, we must take this and install it. So if I line it up correctly, it should pop right in here. Okay, it looks to be lined up good. Looks to have clicked in there. Are we in? I think we're in, folks. Plug here. It looks like we're in. So let's try this bad boy on. Oh wow, that's comfy. Wow. And just like that, we switched the interface from this original material here, which is more of a cloth material, to this nice silicone pad for ease of cleaning. It's actually really comfortable on the face too. This fit feels locked in. For more unboxing and installation tech videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications, check out our other unboxings. I'll link the playlist down below, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.